Hello everybody, it's Cindy and welcome to Cindy Lou Loves Glam 2. And no, you have not stepped into a Dr. Seuss book. I just really like to rhyme things. And today, as you can see on the title of the video, we have an unboxing.
Hey everybody, just thought I'd come on here and give a fair warning to those who may have misphonia. I didn't take into account how noisy and crinkly the plastic was going to be in this unboxing. So I just wanted to give you a fair warning that there's a bunch of that in here. Okay, let's get back to our video.
So obviously I am not on camera. I caught the macaroni, or the vid, as I also have heard other people say, and I have been sick as a dog lately. I am not currently made up. I have not touched my makeup. I don't want to contaminate my makeup. And I also don't feel like I should be subjecting you all to the mental anguish of me barefaced and with cave woman-like hairs. But luckily enough, my manicure actually still looks pretty decent a week later, due to me being completely comatose in bed for the last week and not really, you know, getting up and doing anything that would chip or break anything. So, yes, it is hollow taco. I know rose gold and lavender don't really mix a whole lot, but I had a hard time choosing after getting my hollow taco shipment. So this is what we have. Today is kind of the first day that I'm feeling better enough to doing this, and coincidentally enough, I did just get this in my mail today. So I thought I would go ahead and do a quick unboxing. If you're new here, welcome. I think I brought on a few more people since my last video. To date, my last video is probably my best performing on my channel. So I tried to upload content frequently, but you know, my ADHD and work schedule sometimes gets in the way of that. And also I get distracted by Animal Crossing. If I sound like that crazy mouth-breathing kid behind you in 5th period English, I very much apologize, but you know, we get sick and we can't help it, and that's just the way things are. If you are interested in this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. Let's get into the unboxing here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and unopen this a little bit, peel it back. I know that this is probably going to be very similar to a whole bunch of other boxes, but hey, maybe we'll get the Lucky Charm bracelet that Manny said that he put in like 400 of these boxes. This is my first time trying Lunar Beauty. When I saw that there was going to be mystery boxes for it, I thought it'd be a great time to try, because then you could get a lot of things for, you know, a decent price. I did purchase the Venus box, which was the mid-level box. I believe it was $95. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do the $140 price tag on a brand I have yet to try, even though I've heard phenomenal things about the brand. But anywho, so I've already kind of opened things up. We can already see. I'll go ahead and go for the obvious here. We have a brush set. Ooh, that's soft. Does have this pretty ombre on here. How many brushes is that so far? That's 2 brushes, and it looks like we've got little eye brush set here, detailers. I don't know if there's any more down in here. So it looks like we got 6 brushes. Is that right? Okay. So yeah, we've got, you know, looks like a little nice blender brush, detailed blender. Here's another larger blender for your eyes. This I like to use for really small detailing in the corner of my eye, but I know some people also use it for smudging. And then of course this is, I know this is considered a concealer brush, which you can use it for that, but most folks I know of use it to do nice detailed eye work. And it looks like we have a big old powder brush, as I just showed here. nice big powder brush, and then I'm assuming this is some, oh no, wait a second. This is a dual-ended brush. So it looks like we have a dual-ended, maybe blush and highlighter brush, but some sort of large powder brush there. Very nice. Okay. Now, I don't know. I think I might save the palettes for the end here. We'll just put that off to the side for me to play around with and annoy my husband with popping later on. I do know that we are supposed to get two palettes in here. I think I've already kind of gotten a look at what is in one of these palettes, but that's okay. And then we get 2 lip products, and I know that there's like supposed to be 2 exclusive products in here. And I am not seeing the necklace here, so I'm going to assume that I was not one of the lucky 400. Oh, boo-boo. Pobrecita. Okay. Yeah, I don't know which one to go for first. All right, so let's go ahead and go for this. We have a lip gloss. I think this might be, well, how many lip gloss? Oh, I've got 2 lip glosses. Okay. I know that one of these is a mystery box exclusive. This is the mystery box item. And so we already kind of have an idea. I've been wanting to try Lunar Beauty's gloss for the longest time. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this little crystal on the top. It's like there's a little crystal in the little cap here. It's a gold with like a peachy shift to it. I don't know if the camera really picks that up. I don't think it does, but maybe if I get it closer. Yeah, if I get it closer, you can kind of see it. I did wash my hands beforehand, so I guess I don't feel too bad swatching this. Oh wow, that's pretty. You see that? That actually has some decent coverage and color to it. I mean, we'll have to see how it performs on the lips, but it's actually pretty decent. It smells really good too. It smells like cake frosting. Okay, so that's the mystery gloss. I keep hearing about how awesome Lunar Beauty's glosses are, so I'm glad to try it. The next one I have here, which also, let's talk about this packaging. Again, this is my first time trying Lunar Beauty, so if you're not impressed by it, I'm sorry, but it is pretty packaging. It's got this beautiful like prism design print to the box. But this lip gloss, I have another lip gloss here in the shade Divine. Ooh, that's pretty. It's this nice pink with a silver glitter sparkle to it. I probably shouldn't be opening these, but let's be honest, I'm gonna actually start using these fairly, soon. Normally I wouldn't be cracking open every lip product. I guess this doesn't seem as opaque as the Goldie one here, although you can barely tell on camera, but this just seems like it's a little bit more opaque than that, but nice sheer pink color. So it's, if you're scared of colors like this, you don't need to worry about it with gloss. It'll just be a nice wash of color. Okay, let's see. Next we have, I don't know what the exclusive item is. Does anybody know if they sell beauty blenders? If this could be the exclusive item? We have a Lunar Beauty beauty sponge. I think the texture is one that I could go for. Because, sometimes you get cheap beauty sponges and they don't feel like other ones, you know what I mean? Like if you get the dollar store ones, they're gonna feel like more dense than others, and I like ones that are like not too dense but are obviously dense enough to get the makeup on and blend it and really pick up some water. So this one feels a lot like, I use Real Techniques, and this feels like it might be, maybe even just a little bit higher quality than the Real Techniques sponges, but it's a sponge. I don't know. I wouldn't have bought the box for a sponge. We'll put it that way, but it's a mystery box. You don't know what we're gonna get. I don't think I'm going to wear these at all. I don't know. I might try them, but these are some faux mink lashes. I don't really wear lashes. I don't like... Here's the thing. And I've been wanting... I've filmed this video actually twice and have never gotten around to actually editing it. So I don't even know where the footage is for all the previous 2 times. But... one of the reasons why people, why you might have like watery eyes and really dried out eyes is because you are essentially blocking these little glands in your eyelids called meibomian glands, and it's kind of important because they kind of secrete oil to kind of keep your, tears nice and to help lubricate your eyes. And I don't really like wearing lashes because I feel like the glue can get in and really gunk up those glands and then make my eyes even more watery than what they need to be, and also, leave open the possibility for styes. So I am not a big lash wearer. I also feel like I already wear enough makeup in the office that if I add lashes on there, people are just never gonna take me seriously. So, if I wear lashes, it's gonna be an on-camera thing only. But anyway, that's my long story about why I don't really wear lashes. Dang, this package is cute though, because he's got the little moon here, this beautiful blue and violet, lavender, design with these sparkles. That's so cute. Okay, whoa, I think these are the flare. Good lord, these do flare up. I don't see, that's the other problem. I also have hooded eyelids, if you've seen me in other videos, and so when I go putting on lashes like this, it basically covers up all the work I've done for my eyeshadow, and literally just looks like I've just draped tarantulas on my eyelids. So, I don't know if I'm going to actually wear these. Maybe I'll put them in a giveaway. I don't know. But we're just going to set that off to the side and keep it moving. We have a highlighter, and I've got this in the shade Jupiter. So I don't know what in here is the special makeup item. I don't know if it's the highlighter. I don't want to wreck this box to open it, but I think I have to. I don't know how to get this open without wrecking this box. And I don't want to wreck the box. Oh wait, you just pull Cindy. Jeez, oh peas. Okay, anyway, so yes, the Moon Prism powder. We have a Moon Prism powder here. And here we go, and whoa, that is going to be way too dark for me. But such is life. That is how a mystery box goes. Usually you are not getting the best colors for that. That's okay. We got 2 glosses we can probably use. I wonder if I can use this for any kind of like bronzer. Okay. Ooh, this has got like a coral. I thought it was a bronze, but like maybe there's kind of like a coral piece to it. Okay. I don't know if that doesn't swatch so well or if it looks dark in the pan, but it goes light on the skin. Let's try that again. We'll do it on the arm here. Okay. Yeah, so I could probably get away with that as a blush. I know it looks more bronze here, but I swear up close it looks more like a coral. So it could be a very corally, sparkly blush, I think, for me. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and move on to these 2 palettes in here. So the first one here is, I think, one of the newer releases, right? Maybe not. But we have the Eternal Eclipse palette here. And this, as I recall, I think this one is a little bit more neutral leaning. So of course we have this pretty design here. Ooh, look at that. Got this pretty moon holographic image on here. It's raised. There it is. We've got a lot of like kind of warm nudes in here, but we've got some silvers and some blues. Pretty. Interesting color story. Now for this final palette, I will be incredibly surprised and excited if I get this, but I know that the thing that a lot of folks went gaga over was the moons, I think, was it the Moonspell? The Moonspell 2. I don't think this doesn't feel to me or look to me like it might be as big as that. So I don't think that's what this is. But I have a feeling that this is a face palette. But let's open up and see. This will be our final item here. Oh, yep. Here we go. So we have a Moon Prism blush, but I'm just as happy to get this. We have this pretty, again, pink, purple, and periwinkle packaging. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. He's really into the whole astrology thing, isn't he? Okay. And then, of course, this has a nice mirror. Ooh, these are pretty blushes. Like, nice tones. Don't know if they're tones that would work for everybody. Now, some of these deeper blushes might work on deeper skin tones here. So some of these I may not use, or if I do use them, I use them with a really light hand. But just like a really nice collection of different bush tones. Well, that's the end. I'm going to go ahead and tally up everything here. You know, this wasn't a bad deal for, you know, 95 bucks. I also didn't have to pay the shipping, unlike Beautylish Lucky Bag, so that was nice. Hey, how do you feel about it? Do you think this was worth the price of the box? I don't know. I am wondering if I should maybe next time try, well, next time, I don't think he does these mystery boxes very often. I might try and go for the larger box in the future. I think for now, like $95 was a nice little thing to dip my toe into the water here. And no, I did not get lucky, and I did not get that special necklace. It's okay. It's not a big deal. Are you excited, disappointed? Did you get the box, or are you just living vicariously through me? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. You can feel free to follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I haven't been there in a very, very long time. I'm very sorry. In fact, if anybody sent me a message through there, again, I'm sorry. And even more so through my YouTube, because, you know, I've been sick and not really paying attention to the outside world. Anyway, with that, have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye. Oh, look at my nasty fingers. Bye.